Welcome to our tutorial on replacements. As an insurance company, Five Star Life is committed to following the rules and regulations from the states and territories where we do business. We must also ensure that you, the agent, stay compliant with those same rules and regulations. As a general rule, you never want to replace existing life insurance unless the new coverage is clearly in your client's best interest. A replacement occurs when a new policy or contract is purchased and your client discontinues making premium payments on an existing policy. The previously existing coverage may be terminated, lapsed, forfeited, surrendered, or partially surrendered when acquiring the new insurance coverage. After assessing your client's needs and finding a replacement is warranted, you must follow the replacement procedure required in your state. Here is an overview of the replacement process under 3 different scenarios. If the applicant has no other policies or contracts, if the applicant has a policy or contract and does not intend to replace, and if the applicant has a policy or contract which they wish to replace. Let's start with scenario number 1. If the applicant indicates to you that he or she has no existing policies or contracts, your duties are complete and you may move ahead with the application. Let's move on to scenario number 2. If an applicant has an existing policy or contract and he or she does not intend to replace, utilize the following rules. In Kentucky or Kansas, no replacements are accepted, and you can move ahead with the application only if the applicant intends to keep the new coverage as an additional policy. In the states listed here, applicants who do not intend to replace an existing policy still need to fill out a state-specific replacement form. You can then move ahead with the application. At the same time of applying for a policy, be sure to read and leave a copy of the Notice of Replacement form with your client. Additional steps include you and the applicant both signing this form, collecting the existing insurer name, policy, and address, and submitting a copy of this notice with the application. For any other states where the new policy is not going to replace an existing policy, you can move ahead with completing the application. The third scenario is if your client intends to replace an existing policy. Then follow these rules. Remember, in the states of Kentucky and Kansas, replacements are not accepted. In the states listed here, there are no replacement requirements, and you may move ahead with taking the application. In these states, a state-specific replacement form is required with the application. You must also follow these steps regarding the Notice of Replacement and leave a copy with your client at the time of the application. For all other states where a replacement is taking place, please use the standard replacement form. As you move ahead with the application, also follow the same steps regarding the Notice of Replacement. Remember to always keep up with and follow your state's Department of Insurance rules. If you have any questions, we are here to help. Our agent support representatives can be reached Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern at 1-800-776-2322, option 4, or via email at fsrinfo@afba.com. We thank you for your business.